We're getting ready to do lesson 1.3, part 1 homework for pre-algebra math today. And order of operations 1.3. You got 69 points on your homework sheet today, students. Have that out in front of you. Name, date, period here. Due date for onliners and homeschoolers. Page 1 of 1.3 part 1. Give 3 examples of grouping symbols. Put your answer here, students. And number 2, describe in order the steps you would take to evaluate the expression 12 times the quantity x minus 3 squared when x equals 5. So describe in order the steps. So you have to write. Describe means to write, okay? So write the steps you would take to evaluate this expression. And we got 6 points here. Page 1. Page 2, evaluate these expressions up here. Again, taking into account order of operation rules that you've learned. Got 12 points here for page 2. And then page 3, we have a word problem here. And we go from this table over here. Write and evaluate an expression for the total number of people who registered at the convention. And then down here we continue with evaluate these expressions here. So you got 10 points here for page 3. Page 4, continue to evaluate these expressions. And you got 15 points here for page 4. Page 5, evaluate these expressions. Again, x equals 3, y equals 4, and z equals 5. You got 10 points here for page 5. And page 6, evaluate these expressions here using your order of operation skills that you've learned in 1.3. 8 points here for page 6. And then page 7, if finish here, evaluate this expression. Then you have a word problem here. Write and evaluate an expression to find the length of the space needed for the tables from the beginning of the first table to the end of the last table. 8 points here for page 7. And there's your 1.3 homework, part 1, pre-algebra math, animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.